Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Integrated Physics Studies IPS. एथरे मु ऑलरेडी प्लस 2 सेकंड ईयर सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर सारछि एबे मु प्लस 3 सीबीसीएस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस रो वीडियोज गुडा अपलोड करिवि जदि भल लागिला ताले लाइक कर देबो एवं सब्सक्राइब कर देबो जो वीडियोज गुडा मु अपलोड करिवि तार नोटिफिकेशन पई एठी बेल आइकन को ऑल रे सेट कर देबो गोटे इंपोर्टेंट जिंस वीडियोज रो ऊपर एठी जो 3 डॉट्स देखुछो तार क्वालिटी एठी देखो बाय डिफॉल्ट 360 अछि तमे ताकू बढ़े मध्ये परिबो एठी एडवांस रे क्लिक करी तमे रिजोल्यूशन बढ़े परिबो प्रति वीडियोज रे मु पीडीएफ लिंक देबी ताकू एठी ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट रो तमे क्लिक करी डाउनलोड मध्ये करि परिबो पीडीएफ को लास्ट रे एठी जो मोर चैनल नेम अछि याकू क्लिक करी तमे एठी प्ले लिस्ट को जाई मु प्रति वीडियोज को यूनिट वाइज एज पर सिलेबस सजाई की रखिथिबी तमे सर्च करि परिबो ओके थैंक यू हेलो स्टूडेंट्स आज टॉपिक रे हमें डिफ्रैक्शन एट ए सिंगल स्लिट विषय रे पढिबा for which we have to consider a monochromatic source of light S. Monochromatic means light which is having a single wavelength, suppose lambda. Okay, now let us place this source at a distance equal to the focal length. That means it is situated at the focal point of this convex lens L1, so that light which is coming from this source after refraction through this lens will have a parallel beam of light. That means a plane wavefront which is then incident on a narrow slit AB. Okay, this is our narrow slit and this is having a width equal to small d. Okay, this is the width of the slit. Okay, this one. Now the slit is actually placed perpendicular to the plane of this paper and let the diffracted light is focused by means of a second convex lens, that is L2, and thereby we are getting the diffraction pattern on this screen XY. Okay, now the diffraction pattern which is obtained on this screen, actually it consists of the central bright band which is formed at this point O, and thereafter the bands of decreasing intensity on both sides, which we called the secondary maxima. Right, now in terms of Huygens principle, each point on the plane wavefront which is incident on the slit AB is a source of secondary disturbance in all the direction. Eta ame padhichu. Okay, and all the secondary waves proceeding normally to the slit are focused at this point O, while those which are diffracted through very small angle, as you can see here, this angle is theta. Okay, and thereby they are focused at this point of observation which is P on the screen. Okay, and this point may be a secondary maxima or minima depending upon the path difference. Right, so the point P is maybe maximum or minimum intensity depending upon the path difference between the secondary waves which are originating from the corresponding points of the wavefront. Okay, now width I already neiju slit AB which is equal to small d. ताले एबे a central maximum, then minima, तापर secondary maxima पाई एबे हमें condition बाहर करिबा. First है central maximum. Okay, all the secondary wavelets which fall on the second lens, that is L2, in the direction parallel to CO. CO माने एटा होची तमरो देखो एई लाइन टा, this is point C up to your O. Okay, which is the horizontal line. Right, so एई लाइन सहित parallel हेकी जो beam पड़िला L2 उपरे, so that it will be focused at this point O, and the point O will be your central maximum. That means it is having the maximum intensity, right, because they will meet the point O in same phase. Right, why so? Because the wavelets are initially in phase and their optical paths between the slit and the point O are also equal. Therefore the wavelets reinforce, that means they will superpose with each other and give rise to the central maximum or bright band at the point O. Right, अच्छा ये वाला central maximum. तापर देखिबा position and width of the secondary maxima and minima. Suppose for this we have to consider the point of observation P, जोटा कि theta degree angle रे रहुची. Okay, and it is a point on the screen at which the wavelets traveling in direction at an angle theta with the horizontal, that is CO. okay, and they are brought to focus by means of the second lens that is L2. So এই কেসে কোন হবো, the wavelets from different parts of the slit do not reach the point P in phase. Okay, why so? Because of the unequal distances covered by them in reaching the point P. So याकु जदि आमे फिगर रे बुझिबा ताले देखो, in figure this is the point P which is the point of observation. So दुईटा रे एठी आसी की फोकस होची एई जो दुई रे. So आमे जदि एई दुईटा रे रो डिस्टेंस कवर्ड को देखिबा, the upper ray is covering less distance as compared to the lower ray, right? So that there will be a path difference between the secondary wavelets which are originating from the slit end points जदि आमे देखिबा एठी A और B, and this path difference is equal to this small portion which is BK. okay, एबे देखो ए triangle को आमे जदि देखिबा ए जो छोटिया triangle, this is a right angle triangle, so that here BK will be equal to AB sin theta, right? ताले एबे आमे याकु लिखि परिबा BK equal to AB sin theta, or it is equal to D sin theta, right? This is the path difference, and if this path difference BK is equal to lambda और थीटा को आमे नेगला equal to theta 1, ताले एबे रिलेशन आमे पाइला केते BK equal to D sin theta 1 equal to lambda, or sin theta 1 equal to lambda by D. Okay, then this point P will be the position of first secondary minimum. Why so? Because the whole aperture AB can be imagined to be divided into two halves. Then the secondary waves which are coming from the corresponding points in each half will have now the path difference equal to lambda by 2 on reaching at the point P. Thus we will have destructive interference. आमे जानिछु destructive interference हेले आमे पाइबा dark fringe, so that the point P will be having the minimum intensity, or it will be a dark point. Okay, so that it is the secondary minimum, first secondary minimum. Now एबे ए path difference जो आमे देखिला, suppose यारो value एबे आमे लिखिला 2 lambda और थीटा को नहीं गला थीटा 2, ताले एबे रिलेशन टा ही जबो 2 lambda equal to D sin theta 2 or sin theta 2 equal to 2 lambda by D. Then such a point on the screen will be the position of second secondary minimum. So in this case the slit may be assumed to be now divided into 4 equal parts, and the secondary waves which are originating from the corresponding points of two adjacent parts of the slit will have path difference again lambda by 2, right? And as the wavelets reach out of phase, minimum intensity रहिबो एबे जोटा point P रे आमे देखिबा को पाइबा, which will be a dark point on the screen. Okay, so in general जदि ए relation को आमे generalize करिबा, then for the nth minimum we will have sin theta n equal to n lambda by D. It is small n हेगला गोटे integer, or we can also write this relation as your D sin theta n. This should be equal to n lambda, or better we can also write as the even multiple of lambda by 2, 2n into lambda by 2. Okay, so this is our condition for the minimum. Now एबे देखिबा हमें secondary maxima पाई condition. Okay, so however जदि एबे path difference जो BK इटा जदि हमें नहीं गला odd integral multiple of lambda by 2, then the direction of various secondary maximum will be obtained, right? Thus for secondary maxima we will have BK equal to D sin theta n, which is equal to the odd integral multiple of lambda by 2, that is 2n plus 1 lambda by 2, so that sin theta n हेगला 2n plus 1 lambda by 2d. ଆଉ n ଯେମିତି କହିଲି ଏଟା ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ integer 1 2 3 4 and so on यार value ରହିବ, right? So এই जो secondary maxima ଆମେ ପାଇଲା, actually they lie between the minima on either side of the secondary maximum, and their intensity falls off rapidly as we move outward. So याकू आमे ए figure रे बुझिबा को पाइबा. Okay, this is the intensity distribution curve. Okay, so you can see here this is the central maximum having the maximum intensity. Suppose याकू आमे maximum intensity यारो नहीं गला I0, ताले आमर फर्स्ट सेकेंडरी मैक्सिमम आसला एटा ओके लेफ्ट साइड आउ राइट साइड दुई साइड रे फर्स्ट सेकेंडरी मैक्सिमम यार इंटेंसिटी रोइबो I0/22 ओके तापरे एठी सेकेंड सेकेंडरी मैक्सिमम देखो इंटेंसिटी कंपैरेटिवली कमीगला यार इंटेंसिटी रोइबो I0/61 ओके यार वैल्यू केमती आछी आमे आकु एटा डेराइव मध्य करिबा okay and so on. So as we move away from the central maximum on either side left ho right ho ताले intensity कौन होउची ना it falls off rapidly okay अच्छा एबे आमे जो सेकेंड कन्वेक्स लेंस देखुतला जदि तार फोकल लेंथ को आमे नहीं जबा स्मॉल f then the distance of the first minimum from the point O याकू जदि नहीं गला आमे x सो जदि याकू आमे फिगर रे बुझिबा ताले देखो फर्स्ट मिनिमम एठी आइदर साइड ऑफ सेंट्रल मैक्सिमम रहिबो लेफ्ट और राइट रे एई फर्स्ट मिनिमम रु पॉइंट ओ पर्यंत डिस्टेंस को आमे नहीं गला स्मॉल x then this distance is nothing but the half width of this central maximum ताले full width हिजबो केते obviously this much which is 2x right ताले we can write here sin theta equal to x by f which is equal to lambda by d because आमे पाइथिला d sin theta equal to lambda so that half width x equal f lambda by d hence the full width of the central maximum which is 2x will be equal to 2f lambda by d. Now let us calculate the resultant intensity at the point P. So आमे already पाई जाइछु path difference between the wavelets from the point A and B of the aperture that is your slit in the direction theta एटा पाइथिला केते bk equal to d sin theta. Now we know that the phase difference is equal to 2 pi by lambda into path difference. So এই case रे हिजबो 2 pi by lambda into d sin theta right. Now suppose आमे एठी slit रो जो width अछि ताकू divide करिबा into n number of equal parts. Then the amplitude of variation at P due to the waves coming from each part याकू suppose आमे लिखिला small a okay ताले एबे phase difference between the waves from any two consecutive parts हिजबो केते एटा हला phi equal to 1 by n into 2 pi by lambda d sin theta. Hence the resultant amplitude at P याकू आमे लिखि परिबा कैपिटल R जदि याकू लिखिला then it is given by a sin n phi by 2 divided by sin phi by 2 एठी आमे ए रिलेशन 3.16 जो तरे के आमे देखुतला सुपरपोजिशन ऑफ n वेव्स सेही थ्रू ए एक्सप्रेशन टाको आमे नीचु ओके सो नेक्स्ट आमे कोन करिबा ए फाई रो जो वैल्यू पाइतिला ताकू ए जगह रे तळे ऊपर पुट करिबा ओके तापरे आमे एठी रिप्लेसमेंट नबा पाई d sin theta by lambda equal to alpha okay ताले r रो वैल्यू हे गला a sin alpha divided by sin alpha by n and here alpha by n is a very small quantity therefore we can write sin alpha by n to be nearly equal to alpha by n so that we are getting the value of r to be equal to na sin alpha by alpha and here आमे slit width को divide करछु into n number of equal parts. Now as this number n tends to infinity then the amplitude due to each part जोटा small a नहीं थिला this will tend to 0 okay but the product na here is finite okay so ए जो product na को आमे suppose लिखि देला capital A बोली की ताले r ही जबो केते equal to a sin alpha by alpha. Therefore, the resultant intensity at the point P which will be proportional to the square of the amplitude. आमे जानि छु intensity is proportional to the square of amplitude then I is proportional to r square. Suppose एठी आमे constant of proportionality नै गला उटे k ताले I equal to k r square okay r रो वैल्यू पुट कला एठी और suppose k को आमे नै गला to be equal to unity ताले I becomes equal to a square sin alpha by alpha whole square or you can say a square sin square alpha by alpha square right. Now let us see the direction of maximum and minimum. First देखिबा principal maximum okay so आमे already पाइला about the resultant amplitude r जोटा की equation 6.6 आमे देखुतला okay this equation एठी आमे कोन करबा ए जो sin alpha अछि याकू आमे एबे तार डेरिवेशन बाहर करिबा ओके sin अल्फा को देखो आम ए हिसाब से लिखिपर इट इज इक्वल टू अल्फा माइनस अल्फा क्यूब बाय 3 फैक्टोरियल प्लस अल्फा 5 बाय 5 फैक्टोरियल एंड सो ऑन ओके एटा जानिछ sin अल्फार डेरिवेशन ताले एठी जदि ए जो तले अल्फा अच्छी या मल्टीप्लाए करदेबा ये जो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट रे जो क्वांटिटीटा अच्छी ताले आम पाऊँ के आर इक्वल टू ए इंटू दिस मच ओके नाउ हियर आर विल बी मैक्सिमम ओके बिकॉज आम खोजुचु ये मैक्सिमम इंटेंसिटी राइट प्रिंसिपल मैक्सिमम सो आर विल बी मैक्सिमम व्हेन अल्फा विच इज इक्वल टू पाई डी sin थीटा बाय लैम्डा इट्स वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू 0 ओके अतएव यही क्वांटिटी जदि 0 है मीन्स देखो पाए कैन नेवर बी 0 डी कैन नेवर बी 0 एंड लैम्डा कैन नेवर बी इनफिनिटी राइट तेणुक sin थीटा मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 0 और थीटा मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 0 hence r maximum must be equal to a so that the maximum intensity I0 which is the intensity of the central maximum is proportional to a square right and this will occur at theta equal to 0 or at the point which is at the normal distance o on the screen okay ये गला central maximum तापर देखिबा एबे secondary minimum so এই केसरे आम कौन करवा इक्वेशन 6.7 से जो इंटेंसिटी आम तार डेरिवेशनटा बाहर करथिला दैट इंटेंसिटी विल बी मिनिमम व्हेन sin अल्फा इज इक्वल टू 0 आम पाइथिला इंटेंसिटी रो वैल्यूटा 6.7 रे केते पाइथिला देखो एठी पाइछु आम a स्क्वायर sin स्क्वायर अल्फा बाय अल्फा ओके सो मिनिमम केस रे we can take that sin square alpha to be equal to 0 or sin alpha to be equal to 0 ताले alpha इजिबो केते निहाती भाबरे एठी आमे नेबा प्लस और माइनस पाई प्लस और माइनस 2 पाई प्लस और माइनस 3 पाई एंड so on okay then in general we can write alpha to be equal to plus or minus n pi but remember very importantly we have not taken here alpha to be equal to 0 why so because alpha equal to 0 already we have taken in case of central maximum that is why the condition for secondary minima which is sin alpha equal to 0 एथिरु गोटे possibility जदियो आसुची alpha equal to 0 किंतु we have disregarded that okay now putting the value of alpha and equating with plus or minus n pi and solving we get d sin theta equal to plus or minus n lambda where n equal to 1 2 3 and so on and this will give rise to the direction of first second third etc of the minimum okay now let us come to the secondary maximum so हमें जो intensity रो value टा पाइथिला I equal to a square sin square alpha by alpha square ताकू हमें एबे differentiate करिबा with respect to alpha and equate that with 0 so di by d alpha equal to 0 and thereafter we solve it so that finally हमें पाइबा एठी alpha equal to 10 alpha right so this equation is solved graphically by plotting the curves y equal to alpha and y equal to 10 alpha so you can see here एठी देखो फिगर रे these are the curves first है एठी गोटे straight line पाउछु y equal to alpha which is making an angle 45 degree with the horizontal but y equal to 10 alpha this is giving you discontinuous curve like this because आमे जानिछु 10 90 डिग्री रो वैल्यू हुए प्लस इन्फिनिटी एंड 10 माइनस 90 डिग्री रो वैल्यू हुए माइनस इन्फिनिटी ओके सिमिलरली 10 प्लस 3 पाई बाय 2 विल गिव यू प्लस इन्फिनिटी 10 माइनस 3 पाई बाय 2 विल गिव यू माइनस इन्फिनिटी एंड सो ऑन ओके सो एठी जदि आमे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन देखिबा एठी गोटे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन आछी ए दुई कर्व रो एठी आ गोटे देन याको आमे जदि देखिबा ए पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन रहउची सो these values are approximately alpha equal to 0 जदि हमें पॉजिटिव नेबा 0 तापरे 3 पाई बाय 2 5 पाई बाय 2 7 पाई बाय 2 सिमिलरली जदि नेगेटिव आड़ को हमें देखिबा देन वी विल हैव माइनस 3 पाई बाय 2 माइनस 5 पाई बाय 2 माइनस 7 पाई बाय 2 ओके सो एटा आसिला मैक्सिमम रो कंडीशन सो अल्फा इक्वल टू 0 तो ऑलरेडी हमें देखिछु फॉर द केस ऑफ सेंट्रल और प्रिंसिपल मैक्सिमम okay so here the intensity is I equal to I0 which is equal to a square tapare for the first secondary maximum we have alpha equal to 3 pi by 2 or you can say plus or minus 3 pi by 2 so that I1 जदि एटा आसीगला यार इंटेंसिटी ताले एठी हमें पुट करिवा यार वैल्यू एंड सॉल्व इट एंड फाइनली वी विल गेट I0 बाय 22 जोटा हमें आगु देखुला इंटेंसिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर्व रे तापरे देखिबा जदि सेकेंडरी मैक्सिमम then its intensity will be I2 then we have to put here 5 pi by 2 positive नहीं जदि वैल्यू ताले यार वैल्यूटा आसीबो I0 by 61 and so on okay so the intensity distribution curve जोटा हमें आगु देखुला it will be like this on either side the intensity will rapidly decrease okay so एठी ए जो इंटेंसिटी सक्सेसिव मैक्सिमा रो आमे यार रेशियो जदि देखिबा it will be 1:1 by 22 is to 1 by 61 is to 1 by 121 एटा आसला third secondary maxima by and so on so we can say here the intensity distribution in case of Fraunhofer diffraction which is produced by a single slit will give you a pattern like this and the minima are situated at the values of alpha plus or minus pi plus or minus 2 pi then plus or minus 3 pi and so on and the primary maxima or principal maxima is situated at alpha equal to 0 this is the principal or central maximum right आउ secondary maxima गुड़ा है ए मझिरे ओके ये जो छोट छोट पिक तुम देखुच है these are the points corresponding to alpha at plus or minus 3 pi by 2 plus or minus 5 pi by 2 and plus or minus 7 pi by 2 and so on okay so this is all about the diffraction at a single slit.
Thank you.